Today I'm doing a special unboxing of some custom items that I actually had commissioned. So these are one of a kind. They have traveled across the planet in these uncertain times. They're made by a maker, independent maker named David Pilipovič from Slovenia. I was able to buy a top from him. And I've seen glimpses at the pen, but I haven't seen the final thing. Yeah, and then there's a mystery item. So there's a pen, there's a spinning top, and there's a mystery item. I'm super excited, so I may just go ahead and start opening. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. They're individually wrapped and sealed with the Light Matter logo. So David Pilipovič is also Light Matter. It's really cool. This as well, golden wax. Another golden wax seal. I would imagine this is the pen. Mont Blanc refills. This is already so beautiful and exciting. I'm gonna do this one because I'm most curious. Oh, wow. It's the top. Oh my gosh. That is a custom spinning top from David Pilipovič, also known as Light Matter. I'm gonna spin the top because it's probably gonna spin for a while. It's got a little stand that it goes on. Just beautiful brass, gorgeous material, you know, lots of little details. The grip feels really nice. So I can put it on the stand. All right, let's see. So this came from Bruce Charles, I believe his name is. Having a special surface like this is gonna help the top spin so much longer. And the bottom of it is actually not a point, it's like a ball bearing. Right, so it's kind of rounded, right? Oh God. Patrick learns how to spin a top. All right, let's just let it go and see how long it goes. Ugh, it's really beautiful because all of the details kind of disappear and they just become variations of color in the light. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the mystery gift, which I'm just so curious to know what it is. This mystery gift, I was just so taken. It's incredible and beautiful and kind. David took the Crafted Fractal logo and he put it on an everyday carry coin. And I'm absolutely going to carry with me. If somebody were an expert top spinner, this would go a lot longer. I heard that when he spun it, it went 9 minutes. It spun for 9 minutes. And that, yeah, it's likely that it could spin for longer. The everyday carry pen, it just, the attention to detail is really, just gets me. I love it. Woo! There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's delightful. That's gorgeous and absolutely delightful. Here are the details. It's got this lovely textured grip, textured bolt action fidget. With just simple design details that really kind of make it otherworldly. Hi, Sage. Yeah, should we see how it writes? Yes. So yeah, this is how it writes. You can see my beautiful handwriting. I almost missed because I was just throwing trash in the corner. But there's a certificate of authenticity for each of these two creations. For the custom bolt action pen and for the top. Yeah, I don't know. Here it goes. It's still going. It blows my mind every time. These are going to be wonderful treasures for many years to come. Thank you so much, David Pilipovič of Light Matter, and see you next time. Do you have childhood memories of spinning tops? Have you ever seen a top spin longer than 9 minutes? What's your favorite brass EDC gear that I should check out? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, follow Crafted Fractal on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.